Hello everyone, this is Noonal Farina from OrangeTee AAG. Welcome back to another exciting property showcase. Today we have a great unit at Block 415 Bedok North Avenue 2 that you wouldn't want to miss. First thing first, this isn't just any unit, it's a corner unit. That means more windows, more light and more breezy vibes. Let's take a look at this beautiful house. Stepping inside, you will immediately notice the spaciousness of this beautifully renovated 5-room unit, boasting an impressive 120 square meters. This open layout creates a breezy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for family gatherings and quiet evenings at home. Imagine having your morning coffee or unwinding in the evening with a gentle breeze through your home. Being a corner unit, you will enjoy extra privacy and nature light streaming in from multiple angles. Now let me show you this beautiful kitchen, which is very huge and accommodates all that you need. Each of the 3 bedrooms is designed for comfort, tranquility. They are ready for your personal touch, making it easy to move in and start creating memories right away. Location is definitely a key, and this property doesn't disappoint. You are just a short stroll from Bedok MRT stations and from a lot of other amenities. For families, there is a fantastic selection of primary schools within 2 kilometers, ensuring your children have great educational options nearby. With an amazing price tag, this corner unit is a rare find in today's market. With its move-in condition, spacious layout, and excellent location, this home is ready for you to make it your own. If you are interested in making this wonderful property yours, don't hesitate. Call me at 87824337 now. This could be the home of your dreams, and it won't last long. And thanks for joining me today. Be sure to like, subscribe for more amazing property showcases. Until next time, happy house hunting. This is Noonal Farina from OrangeTee and Thai AAG.